Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document. This method works directly in Microsoft Word without installing any additional software. Let's begin step by step. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word opens, now click Open. Next, browse to the location where your PDF file is saved. Select the PDF file and click Open. Microsoft Word will display a message saying that it will convert the PDF file into an editable Word document. Click OK. Word will now convert the PDF file. After a few seconds, the document will open in Word format and you can edit the text, images, and formatting. Once you finish editing, you can save the document as a Word file. Click File, then Save As, choose the location, and click Save. And that's how you convert a PDF file into a Word document easily.